In the market for a 2007 Holden Commodore. This well-presented vehicle could be just right for you, with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, power mirrors. Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.